Hello guys, today I will show you how we can quick retouch our images using Adobe Photoshop CC. I'm using Adobe Photoshop CC and my Wacom tablet. First of all, I will duplicate my layer, just in case, and I will resize my image. Not too much. Okay, and right now I will zoom in my image using spot healing brush tool with content aware. I will remove some imperfections from my model's face. She's absolutely beautiful, but my golden rule, we need to retouch everything which is going on our portfolio or on a web. So let's quick retouch our image. I took this image a few months ago and I'm absolutely in love with this session. So as you can see, we don't need to heavy retouch this image, just slightly pieces of her hair. Just a little, guys, not too much. Sticking out a hair, I will push it inside or simply remove. And healing spot healing brush tool is the best tool for this kind of improvement. Just I will push her hair in the same direction. Just not too much again, guys. Just like that. And some improvement in here. And I saw some hairs sticking out here, so let's remove them. Just slightly retouching some parts of her skin. This is before we started retouching, this is after. So you can see we already improved our image, but I have noticed a few things extra I want to retouch. Like here. Let me zoom in and you will see also I will retouch her makeup, and I will make my brush size smaller. And same probably with another eye. Let me see. And meantime I will just retouch here. Let me see. Yes, definitely same in here. And we can use stamp tool. It's up to you guys. We all using the tool we are comfortable with. Beauty of Photoshop, we are having a lot of different tools to do same thing. So as I'm always saying, use any tool, any technique you are comfortable with. And right now I will duplicate my layer just in case, guys, and I will use a camera raw filter. As usual, I'm converting my layer to smart filter just in case if I will not like my modifications in a few steps later. I can simply uncheck my smart filter, and I will not destroy my image. But for now I'm pretty much sure what I'm doing, and I will not convert to smart filter. So let's open camera raw and slightly retouch, apply corrections to our image. Again, it depends of your taste, depends of your preferences. Using noise reduction, I love to smooth my model's skin, so just a little noise reduction, not too much. Okay, I will zoom in my image and I will show you before camera raw and after. As you can see, definitely I would like to apply kind of sharpness to my model's eyes, and I will do it in few steps. First of all, I will duplicate my layer 3 times, filter, other, high pass, radius 9.9 pixels, click OK, and I will change blending mode for my layer. I will change to overlay, and as you can see right now, I applied sharpness to entire image, but I don't like this. So what I will do, I will move my top layer in the middle between my two layers, and I will make like a kind of sandwich. I highlight my top layer, apply my layer mask, zoom in, and using a brush with black color, you can change opacity of your brush. Definitely I will lower opacity to 33, 35, 34. I will start from this. Be careful, because if you will apply a lot of sharpness to your eye, to your model eyes, it will be not natural. It will be like island. You don't want to do this for sure. And let's apply sharpness to her makeup, just little, guys, just little, not too much. I will zoom out and I will see. Yes, I would like to apply sharpness in here, and I will bring opacity to 100%, to maximum. I will not touch her hair. Example, if I think I apply sharpness too much, I can use a layer mask with brush. I can use my brush with white color, and I will show you. Let me bring it. So I'm changing color of my brush to white, and I will paint out some parts I think I applied too much sharpness to. So, or I can just select my middle layer and I will change opacity of my layer. This is opacity equals 0, and this is 100. I will bring opacity to probably 673. And right now I will merge all visible. No, let me, yes, all merge visible. And right now I will apply adjustments layers. Guys, I will apply adjustments to my image using adjustments layer, because in that ways I will not destroy my image. In many situations I applied a few adjustments, and few steps later I decided I do not want to see some of them, and I simply deselect those adjustment layers, and I didn't destroy my image. So right now I will apply probably exposure. Too much, just like that. And because I'm applying adjustment to my separate layer, I can change opacity of my layer, I can change blending mode to my layer, but in this case I will change opacity just slightly. Also, I will use a curves adjustments. And again, I will change opacity. And the last adjustment, color lookup. Let me try. Full color. And I will bring down opacity of my layer. Just something like that. As you can see, my opacity is 15%, and it makes a huge difference. This is without color lookup, this is after. It added like a warm tone to my image. And what else we can do with this image? We can add any artifact, but what I would like to do right now, I will merge my visible layers. I will duplicate, and as you can see in here, I don't want to see her skin in this part, because I would like to make it just like one piece of her dress. And I will use clone stamp tool, holding option key, I will assemble her dress, and I will paint over her skin, just like that. And using right now patch tool, I will smooth, I will just make her dress more realistic. Just like that. Let me do same in here, probably in here, and here. And now we are having one piece dress. We have a one piece dress over her shoulder, and I like it more. This is before and this is after. Let me see in here. No, I will not touch in here. Oh, also what I would like to do, I would like to push inside her gloves, and I will do it using a liquify tool. Liquify. I will zoom in the area I want to work with. Using freeze mask tool, I will freeze areas out of her glove and inside, because I don't want to destroy her glove. And using forward warp tool, I will, with bigger size, I will push her glove inside. As you can see, I'm not destroying areas inside and out of her glove. Okay, and I will show you. This is before liquify tool, and this is after. And as you can see, I didn't destroy any other area in my image. Also, I noticed that I have this some part of white things going on. I don't want to see. I will use clone stamp tool. I will sample this area and just paint over. And what about this side? And let me retouch her forehead using spot healing brush tool. I will fix it. And I think now I'm good. And yes, I need to change um, to fix this area of her glove, and I will do it in the same way. I will duplicate layer just to show you after. Filter, liquify, and again using freeze mask tool I will freeze all area inside and out. And I will push it inside. Just not too much, because we want to have a natural looking glove. Retouching doesn't mean we need to change everything and make it not natural looking. Good retouching is we keeping all details as natural as possible, but we are fixing it. And this is before and this is after. Let me see this area. We can improve the little bit under her eyes, and I will duplicate again. And using patch tool, this is very simple and very easy way to retouch skin. Just not too much, guys. Remember, do not overdo, because it will look not natural. Like that. Let me see before and after. This is before, this is after, much better. Also, I would like to fix her eyelashes, and I will use a spot healing brush tool with smaller brush. Just paint over. And more in here. And probably a little here. Yes. And now we need to stop, or obviously I will overdo it. Let me delete all my layers, which I don't need anymore. And I will show you our image before and our image later, after, and I will show you skin and everything. This is our skin before our retouching, and this is after. And again, I have many different ways of skin retouching or skin improving. This is the easier and quickest way to do it. Thank you guys, and see you later.